Millions of people use IPTV every day, but most of them have no idea what IPTV actually is. It isn't one specific app, and it isn't some mysterious streaming box. IPTV simply means delivering television content through an internet protocol network. Traditional television sends signals through satellites, antennas, or cable networks. IPTV takes live channels and on-demand programming, converts them into digital video streams, and delivers those streams over the internet to your TV, phone, tablet, or streaming device. The entire process comes down to 4 basic steps. First, a legitimate content platform obtains the proper rights and authorized programming feeds. Second, the video is encoded into multiple versions designed for different devices, resolutions, and internet speeds. Third, those video streams are distributed to different regions through servers or content delivery networks, also known as CDNs. Fourth, your media player receives the data, briefly buffers it, decodes the stream, and displays the final picture on your screen. That's why the exact same channel can perform completely differently across 2 devices. The provider's infrastructure determines whether the stream can be delivered reliably. Your internet connection determines whether the data reaches you without congestion or interruptions. Your device and media player determine whether that stream can be decoded and played smoothly. IPTV itself is simply a technology. It is not automatically illegal. The real question is whether a service has permission to distribute the channels, movies, and programs it offers. A trustworthy provider should clearly explain who operates the service, what content it is authorized to distribute, how much it costs, its refund policy, and how customers can receive support. But if someone promises every premium channel, brand new movies, and every major sporting event worldwide for an unbelievably low price, consider that a serious warning sign. Follow Firestick Secrets, because in the next video, I'll explain the real differences between legal IPTV services, internet television, and regular streaming platforms, and help you decide which option is right for you.